Sinamics Starter has the capability to search a network for accessible nodes. This is extremely beneficial to test whether a certain device is available via a specific protocol, or establishing first contact and accepting a device into a new starter project. There are at least 2 different ways to initiate an accessible nodes search in Starter. The first method begins by clicking Project in the Starter main menu. From the drop-down menu, locate and click Accessible Nodes. Starter searches the network with a specified protocol for connected devices. Devices found are displayed with information regarding the device. For drives, the type of drive, node, or IP address and firmware version are displayed. The second method to perform an accessible node search is to click the Accessible Nodes icon in the menu bar. Accessible devices are displayed with drive type, node or IP address, name, and firmware version. The Accessible Nodes window also has buttons for changing the access point and the PGPC interface. Clicking the Access Point button activates a window for changing between the S7 Online and device access points. The PGPC button activates the Set PGPC Interface window, where interface protocols can be selected and changed. After changing the access point or PGPC interface, the Accessible Nodes search can be repeated by clicking the Update button. When the desired device is located, the checkbox next to the device can be checked for accepting into the project or going online with the device. Note that the starter project is new without a drive object. By clicking the box beside the device and clicking the Accept button, the device can be accepted into the project. The process can take some time, so please be patient. The accessible node has been accepted into the project. Now you can go online and upload the existing project, download an offline project, or reconfigure the drive object.